Hey, may pips be upon you. Listen, Aussie, Japanese yen. I'm on a daily chart. Listen, on my weekly forecast, I put out that this trade was, setting up. And I got my little arrows on it and everything. I was looking for a break and retest of this level. What I did was I pointed out that there was a symmetrical triangle going on here. All right, so we call it, a rising wedge, whatever. But it broke out to the top. I saw it coming out the top. I said, all we need is a retest, and then we can go. All right. If we go to the 4 hour, you can see things a little bit more clearly. And here we are. All right. What I want you to notice with this stochastic is that we are in the oversold area. All right. That's the first time I said that right the first time. We're in the oversold area, right? All right. And we also have this little trend line happening right here. All right. We got 4 points of contact on it. So it's pretty good. Right. All right. We can see how clearly it broke out from this level and came back and retested at this level. Right. I want you also to see if you put your fibs on this thing from the most recent swing low. I did this again. I cannot believe I just did that. All right, from the most recent swing low to the swing high, and you can see how price lines up pretty good with the structure. All right, right here is where I'm looking. All right, we have this level here. This is a daily level. All right, and you can see the interactions here of resistance. Then it crashes through, breaks above, crashes through, and then checks it as resistance again. Resistance here, breaks through. This time, tested as support, and that's what we're doing right here. This is the time to buy. How do we know? Because, like I said, stochastic has it oversold, but we haven't seen the blue cross the red yet. All right, that's something to bear in mind. But it's hitting this. It's hitting the trend line. It's hitting the horizontal uh, 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 level of support. So what you need is a nice strong bullish engulfer. I want to see on the 1 hour. For me, I want to see. Well, it's there. Let me go back. Let me go back a second. Get rid of all of this. All right. And if we go to the 1 hour, this is what I wanted to see, a bullish engulfer, something that says, hey, I'm on my way out here, a bullish momentum candle. All right. I want to see rejections here, but I wanted to see a bullish, a strong bullish candle that breaks to the upside. Now, is this the one I want to take? That's the question. I'm looking over here to the left to see this level here, if there's resistance here. This is what I wanted to get higher. I want to see a candle close a little higher. This next candle, this 1 hour, closes in 23 minutes. All right. Now, you can enter now and be aggressive. You can enter now and be aggressive and have your stop loss below structure over here. You can have it down here. This would be a good place, a safe place to put it. And you would target, we can get rid of this now. All right, because that's all done. And you can target these levels for take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. All right. Here, this is 90 pips. I usually like to try and get about 100 pips. That's my usual threshold. If I'm going to pick a TP without making this thing last too much longer, this video, come on. All right, I'll go back up to the 4 hour and see where the structure is. I didn't see any on that, so I'm going to go up to the daily. There we go. All right. Okay. See, yeah, I'm targeting these for sure. I'm targeting those for sure. Here's my my one uh use the I would highly suggest that you use the Fibonacci extensions for your next TPs. All right, you can have, I'm suggesting here and here. Okay, those are where I will suggest for TPs. So your targeting structure, you want to take some off when you run into these possible areas where these areas where there's a potential for a reversal. And once you're past here, it's pretty much gravy. Okay, and we're going to get 200 pips out of this one. Okay. Um, Here's my one problem I have. Uh, this is uh, it shows you how weak the Aussie is versus the yen. All right, these things are going to change for sure. All right, and we're looking at structure, and the way structure is. Uh, we were expecting some Aussie weakness for the retest, but now we're looking for a change here. It might take a minute. All right, this probably won't take off until sometime during London, and maybe maybe until I hate to say this might not take off until Asia, because the reason why I hate saying this is because it takes so long, and it tests my patience for sure. All right. Uh, but this is a pretty strong setup. I think this is the support here will hold, and I think price will take us to the promised land. Okay. Give me a like on this video. Give me a like if you enjoy the free content, the free education, and leave me a comment, please. Let me know what your thoughts are on this trade setup, and I'll see you in my next video.